My name is Wendy Bradford. I'm a Boilermaker, journeyman welder here at WSF. I've been working here 3 years. My primary duties are repairing uh, the boats and terminals, and we have to think on the fly. You know, we're available 24/7 to make sure that chiefs and engineers are able to run their boats. Eagle Harbor, Bainbridge, right? That's our home base. And there are some jobs, like overnight jobs. I mean, we go all over everywhere that there are ferry terminals, and we go there to make sure that whatever's broken is fixed and taken care of. This job is really important because everybody here, and all the crafts, we're the ones that have to make sure that these boats are running when they don't. There are people relying on us, and everybody here is they're really good people to work with. I couldn't have it any other way.